My name is Key, and it's great to meet you all online. I'm in charge of global sales for Kijis. Kijis is the brand name of dedicated safety solution that's provided and manufactured by Youngshine. And today, I would like to introduce to you our solutions. So this is what we have here. So IPAS is the name of our dedicated safety solution. I stands for intelligent, P stands for proximity, A stands for alert, S as system. So this is what we call IPAS. So IPAS is based on UWB technology, and they calculate the distance by time of flight. So these devices can detect each other by audible and visual alert to avoid further collisions among them. So let me show you the features of IPAS system. So first, let's start with PT. Pedestrian tag is normally attached to your helmet, or you could have it on your arm like this. And this pedestrian tag gives audible alert and also a vibration alert to a worker, to a pedestrian, when they detect vehicle tag. And this is a vehicle tag, normally installed on the top of your cabin to detect PT or ZT. And together with VT, this indicator is normally installed inside the cabin to give alert to the driver with visual and also audible alert. So the feature of IPAS system is that you could manually configure the setting, and also by the software, which we call IPAS download tool device, you could directly connect to your PC and make configuration in your screen. So let's suppose a vehicle tag and indicator are installed inside a vehicle. And now, let me approach to the zone. Like I mentioned, we have two zones, caution and danger. So let me approach to the zone. So now I'm in the caution zone, and you'll see it gives you a sound alert, and also it has a vibration alert. You could set up manually. And now I am inside the danger zone. So you will notice the different sound. And I would like to explain to you our another unique feature called driver mode. And this feature is being used in an occasion where a pedestrian becomes a driver. So once you have this PT on your arm, when you're going into a vehicle, it'll obviously alert. But with this feature, you could make it mute even inside the vehicle. So let me approach to the vehicle, and it'll alert. So it alerts, and now you're in a vehicle with this magnetic part. You could plug in like this, and now it's all mute. And you're free to drive. Now this is called flashlight zone tag. Flashlight zone tag is normally installed in a vulnerable area, and this is a static device. It doesn't move together with a vehicle. So within a zone, it will detect any approaching VTs around you, and it'll give you a audible sound and also the visual alert by flashlight. And additionally, you could attach a speaker amp to give a louder voice. So let's suppose this is a vehicle, and let me approach to the zone. And flashlight zone tag will alert, yes. And it has 3 types of sounds, and I'll explain to you later on. So this device is called crossway zone tag, different from flashlight zone tag. So normally this device is mounted on the top of the roof, on the top, in a crossway to detect any approaching vehicles at the crossway. And normally it gives you a circle lights, and you will notice that if one vehicle is approaching, it will become a triangle, and if there are 2 or more, then crossway zone tag will give you an X sign. So let me show you how it works. So let's suppose there's one vehicle approaching. So you'll see a triangle sign. Okay. So we have now one vehicle. And let's say there are 2 or more. You will see an X sign. Let me stay away from the zone. So now you have one vehicle, and it's triangle. And when there's no vehicle at all, it'll be circle at the end.